In today's video, I'll show you how to create automated reminders in Smartsheet so you can notify team members on specific dates and keep your projects on track. First, open your browser and sign in to your Smartsheet account. Once you're on the home page, select the project sheet where you want to set up the reminder. At the top of the sheet, click on Automation. Next, click on See More Templates to explore available automation options. Choose the template, remind someone on a specific date, then click Use Template. In the Conditions tab, select the field that will trigger the reminder, such as a due date column. Then, add the email address of the person who should receive the reminder. After reviewing your settings, click Save to activate the automated reminder. And that's it! That's how you create automated reminders in Smartsheet.